It's the report that documents forced abortions, enslavement and torture. And Uyghur activists in London want the Chinese ambassador to read it.
Enough is enough. We demand justice.
An independent panel made up of legal experts and academics found that hundreds of thousands of Uyghurs had been incarcerated in China, backing up US assertions that Chinese policies were genocidal.
On the basis of evidence heard in public, the tribunal is satisfied beyond reasonable doubt that the PRC, by the imposition of measures to prevent births intended to destroy a significant part of the Uyghurs in Xinjiang, as such, has committed genocide.
Those words meant the world to the Uyghur diaspora, who felt that no one has been listening.
My sister is still missing. I still don't know any information of her. She's being hostage taken by this government for my activism.
They don't have the rights to steal people's basic human rights, to kill innocent people, to just brainwash them.
These protesters are hoping the tribunal's findings will be the first step towards justice for the Uyghur people. And they're hoping the evidence gathered as part of this process will now be used to put pressure onto China.
But China is not taking the report lying down. In a statement, the Chinese embassy said, "The so-called Uyghur Tribunal, funded by the terrorist and separatist organisation World Uyghur Congress, is nothing but a political tool used by a few anti-China and separatist elements to deceive and mislead the public. It is not a legal institution, nor does it have any legal authority." For these Uyghurs, it was a day when China's crimes against its people were finally laid bare. Steve Kinane, ABC News, London.